back, guys, to another episode of Southside Fishing. You probably can't see me. That's because it's currently, I think it's about 4:30. So we're up here trying to catch some bass before the sun even has come up. And it's gonna be a hot one today, so the bass actually should be biting. And so we'll see if we can get some. Let's get into it. We good? There we go.
There we go?
Double.
Oh, I'm up.
What was that first catch for both of us, too?
Hell yeah, bro.
Look at that one right there. We good? Number two, could have been.
That's a tasty one.
Oh, I caught a fish, so now I still have a lead. Like, I wonder how deep it is. Like, you like jumping in there, taking it on.
Oh, yeah, true. I wonder how deep the actual ground level is. Yeah, true. I didn't think. I wonder how far down it's
We good?
Content, boys, content! Content!
Get on, man.
Content! Oh, fish again?
Doubled up again?
What up? No, don't tell me stop! Well,
Almost doubled up again. Decent fish right here. Gary Yamamoto, dude.
here.
Look at that. That hook is all the way in his mouth too. Focus on that. Focus on that, not me. All the way down his gullet. Almost.
Gullet.
Nope, almost. That's a better sized fish right there. Look at that guy. Yes. I'm actually gonna take a picture of it. One more shot for the camera before I release
I
it.
don't think my...
Holy crap.
You know,
Dude, you want one of these Senkos? Or you want to keep throwing a
yeah, sure, why
freaking power bait? No, that power bait was killing them though. I'm not gonna lie.
not? No, I'm getting bites by things that should die.
Just gotta set the hook hard. Look at that. Gary Yamamoto Senko doing work again. Right in the corner of the mouth. Hook pops out. Just like that. That is number 4, I think? I don't know. Something like that. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed that video. It was short, and I might try to start doing a little bit of shorter videos just because it takes a long time to edit the longer ones. So let's see if I can shorten them up a little bit. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I got some pretty special fishing videos coming up, hopefully in the near future. I'm going to be going after some fish that I haven't gone after before. It's just some new species, just because I try to be a multi-species angler, although I do like bass fishing, and that is where the majority of my knowledge is, but should be pretty cool. So like I said, hope you guys enjoy. Please like, comment, subscribe, tell me what you guys want to see me do next, and until then, fish every day.